Throughout history, human curiosity has driven us to explore and understand the world around us. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, we've made incredible discoveries. But despite all our technological advancements and scientific knowledge, there are still places on Earth that defy explanation. From strange geological formations shaped by forces we barely comprehend to unexplained phenomena that continue to baffle scientists. These locations challenge our understanding of the world. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to 15 mysterious places that science still can't fully explain. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end for one of the most mind-blowing mysteries ever discovered. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest deep dives into the world's most fascinating mysteries. Now, let's explore the strange and unexplainable. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela is home to one of the most extraordinary natural phenomena on the planet. The Catatumbo lightning, often called the everlasting storm. This incredible display of nature produces nearly 1.2 million lightning bolts each year, illuminating the night sky for up to 10 hours at a time over more than 150 nights annually. The lightning is so frequent and intense that it has served as a natural lighthouse for sailors for centuries. Despite extensive study, scientists still haven't reached a consensus on what exactly causes this relentless storm in such a specific location. Many believe it's due to the unique combination of warm, moist air from the Caribbean Sea colliding with cold air from the Andes Mountains. Others speculate that the region's abundant oil reserves and methane emissions could be contributing factors. Yet, some argue there may be unknown atmospheric or environmental forces at play, keeping this mesmerizing phenomenon shrouded in mystery. The Chocolate Hills, located on the island of Bohol in the Philippines, are one of nature's most stunning and mysterious creations. Consisting of 1,776 almost perfectly symmetrical cone-shaped hills, this natural wonder stretches across 50 square kilometers. During the dry season, the green grass covering the hills turns a rich chocolate brown, giving them their unique and delectable name. Scientists believe the Chocolate Hills were formed over millions of years through the weathering of marine limestone and the uplift of coral deposits. However, what puzzles researchers is how these hills have maintained their uniform shapes and why they haven't eroded further over time. Local legends add to the intrigue, with stories of giants whose tears formed the hills after a lost love. Despite scientific investigations, the exact process behind their formation remains elusive, making the Chocolate Hills not only a breathtaking sight, but also a geological mystery that continues to fascinate the world. The Zone of Silence, located in the Chihuahuan Desert of Mexico, is a region where radios, compasses, and electronic devices mysteriously malfunction, earning its eerie name. Stretching across parts of Durango, Chihuahua, and Coahuila, this desolate area has puzzled scientists for decades. The most famous incident occurred in 1970 when a U.S. missile went off course and inexplicably crashed in the zone. Some believe the area's high levels of magnetic minerals disrupt signals, while others point to underground meteorite deposits. Paranormal enthusiasts suggest extraterrestrial activity, with numerous reports of strange lights and UFO sightings. Despite various scientific studies, no single explanation fully accounts for the zone's strange electromagnetic phenomena. Whether it's magnetic anomalies, natural forces, or something beyond our understanding, the Zone of Silence continues to intrigue scientists, explorers, and mystery seekers from around the world. The Dancing Forest, located on the Curonian Spit in Russia, is a bizarre spectacle where pine trees grow in twisted, looping shapes resembling serpents or spirals. Unlike typical forests where trees stand tall and straight, this forest is filled with trunks that curve, bend, and even form loops near the ground. The cause of these unusual shapes remains a mystery. Some scientists suggest strong coastal winds and unstable sandy soil might be distorting the tree's growth. Others hypothesize that pests or genetic mutations could be responsible. However, local legends attribute the forest's peculiar shapes to supernatural forces, claiming the area is a meeting place of powerful energy fields or spirits. Despite extensive studies, no definitive explanation exists, leaving the Dancing Forest a captivating enigma that attracts tourists, scientists, and those fascinated by the unexplained wonders of nature. The Devil's Kettle, located in Judge C.R. Magny State Park in Minnesota, is a geological mystery that has baffled scientists for years. This unique waterfall splits the Brule River into two streams. One continues downstream as expected, while the other vanishes into a deep, dark hole known as the Kettle, and seemingly disappears without a trace. Researchers have tried to solve the mystery by dropping dyes, GPS trackers, and even objects like ping-pong balls into the Kettle, but nothing has ever resurfaced downstream. Theories suggest the water might be entering underground caverns or fissures, but no definitive proof has been found. The puzzling disappearance of half a river continues to confound geologists, making the Devil's Kettle not only a beautiful natural wonder, but also one of the most perplexing hydrological enigmas in the world. Al-Nasla Rock, located in the Tama Oasis of Saudi Arabia, is a geological marvel that has puzzled experts for years. This massive sandstone boulder stands balanced on a small pedestal and is perfectly split down the middle with a smooth, straight line, as if cut by a laser. The precision of the split has led to numerous theories. Geologists suggest that natural erosion, tectonic forces, or wind-blown sand might have caused the crack. However, some believe that ancient civilizations with tools or technologies lost to history may have carved the rock. Others even speculate that the split could be the result of an unknown force or unexplained natural phenomenon. The rock also features ancient petroglyphs, adding to its mysterious allure. Despite scientific investigations, the cause of the rock's perfect division remains unknown, making Al-Nasla Rock a captivating enigma that continues to draw researchers and curious minds alike. Tabby's star, officially known as KIC 8462852, is a distant star located around 1,400 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. What sets it apart is its dramatic and irregular dips in brightness, sometimes dimming by up to 20%, far more than any known planet could cause. Scientists have proposed various theories to explain this anomaly. Some suggest that a swarm of comets or an asteroid belt could be passing in front of the star. Others believe it might be surrounded by an enormous cloud of dust or debris. However, one of the most intriguing and controversial theories is that the dimming could be caused by a massive alien megastructure, such as a Dyson sphere, built by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization to harness the star's energy. While further studies lean towards natural explanations, the true cause remains elusive, making Tabby's star one of the most mysterious objects ever observed in space. The Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat structure, is a massive circular geological formation in the Sahara Desert of Mauritania, visible even from space. Measuring about 40 kilometers in diameter, it resembles a giant bullseye etched into the Earth's surface. Initially thought to be an impact crater from a meteorite, scientists later dismissed this theory due to the absence of shocked quartz. Current theories suggest that the eye was formed by volcanic activity, followed by erosion over millions of years. However, the near-perfect concentric circles and its isolated location have sparked alternative theories, including speculation that it might be the remnants of the lost city of Atlantis. Despite numerous geological studies, the exact processes that formed the Richat structure remain unclear, adding to its mystique and making it one of the most intriguing natural formations on the planet. The Sargasso Sea is a unique and enigmatic body of water in the North Atlantic Ocean, defined not by land boundaries, but by a system of powerful ocean currents that create a natural enclosure. Covering over 4 million square kilometers, this vast expanse is renowned for its floating mats of golden-brown sargassum seaweed, which serve as essential habitats for marine life, including fish, turtles, crabs, and invertebrates, making it a biodiversity hotspot. Unlike most seas, the Sargasso Sea is remarkably clear and calm, yet its delicate ecosystem remains a mystery. Scientists are fascinated by how this sea without shores sustains its balance despite the dynamic currents surrounding it. Its role in the life cycle of American and European eels is particularly perplexing. Vodovara Mountain, located in the Karelia region of Russia, is famed for its eerie landscape filled with strange mushroom-shaped rock formations. Rising 417 meters above sea level, this remote mountain is often referred to as a place of power by locals. The bizarre stone structures, some balanced precariously on top of one another, have fueled speculation for years. Geologists suggest that glacial activity during the last ice age may have shaped these formations, but the precision with which some rocks are positioned leads others to believe they were placed by ancient civilizations for unknown rituals or purposes. Adding to the mystery are reports of unusual magnetic anomalies and strange sounds heard in the area. Vadavara's haunting beauty and unexplained phenomena continue to attract scientists, spiritual seekers, and conspiracy theorists, all eager to uncover the secrets of this enigmatic mountain. The Hessdalen lights are glowing orbs that have appeared in the remote Hessdalen Valley of Norway for decades, baffling scientists and locals alike. These mysterious lights, ranging from small flashes to large, hovering spheres, have been seen moving slowly across the sky, hovering above the ground, or darting at incredible speeds. Observed since the early 1980s, the lights have sparked numerous investigations. Some scientists believe they are caused by geological activity, such as the release of ionized gas from quartz-rich rocks beneath the surface. The Devil's Sea, also known as the Dragon's Triangle, is a region in the Pacific Ocean near Japan, notorious for unexplained ship and plane disappearances, earning comparisons to the Bermuda Triangle. Spanning from the Japanese coast to Guam and the Bonin Islands, the area has been associated with strange magnetic anomalies, sudden violent storms, and eerie lights in the sky. One of the most famous disappearances occurred in the 1950s when a Japanese research vessel vanished without a trace. Scientists attribute the phenomena to natural causes such as underwater volcanoes, extreme weather patterns, and tectonic activity, which could lead to sudden shifts in ocean currents and magnetic fields. However, others believe supernatural forces or even underwater extraterrestrial bases could be responsible. Despite various investigations, the true nature of the Devil's Sea remains unknown, making it one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Saturn's hexagonal storm is one of the most perplexing phenomena in our solar system. This massive, six-sided jet stream at Saturn's North Pole spans 32,000 kilometers in diameter, large enough to encompass two Earths. Discovered by NASA's Voyager spacecraft in the 1980s, and later studied in detail by the Cassini mission from 2004 to 2017, the storm continues to fascinate scientists. What sets this storm apart is its nearly perfect hexagonal shape, an anomaly for planetary weather systems that typically form circular patterns due to atmospheric forces and rotation. Each side of the hexagon stretches about 14,500 kilometers, with the entire structure rotating around the pole at roughly 320 kilometers per hour. At its center lies a massive vortex, resembling a hurricane's eye. Theories to explain its formation include interactions between Saturn's fast-moving atmospheric currents and its rotation, creating a standing wave pattern. Another theory points to temperature variations between Saturn's interior and its outer atmosphere. Despite decades of observations and advanced computer models, no definitive explanation exists. Saturn's hexagonal storm remains a cosmic mystery, challenging our understanding of planetary weather and highlighting how much we still have to learn about the forces shaping our solar system. The Taos hum is a persistent, low-frequency sound that has perplexed residents and visitors of Taos, New Mexico, for decades. Described as a faint, droning noise, similar to the distant rumble of a diesel engine idling, the hum is unique because it is only heard by a small percentage of people, known as hearers. For those who can detect it, the sound is not just a mild annoyance. It can cause headaches, insomnia, dizziness, and even psychological distress. Yet, for much of the population, the hum is completely inaudible, adding to the mystery. First widely reported in the early 1990s, the Taos hum quickly garnered attention from scientists, engineers, and even government agencies, all attempting to uncover its source. Various theories have been proposed, including industrial equipment, distant highways, and underground pipes vibrating at specific frequencies. Others suggest natural geological processes, such as seismic activity, shifting tectonic plates, or underground rivers, might be responsible for generating the low-frequency sound waves. Psychological explanations have also been considered, with some experts suggesting that the hum could be a form of auditory hallucination, mass hysteria, or even a heightened sensitivity to certain frequencies. Despite numerous investigations, including those using highly sensitive acoustic equipment, no definitive source for the Taos hum has ever been identified. The Nazca lines in Peru are among the most fascinating and perplexing ancient creations ever discovered, stretching across nearly 200 square miles of the arid Nazca Desert. These colossal geoglyphs depict intricate shapes and figures, including animals like hummingbirds, spiders, monkeys, fish, and even humanoid forms. What makes them even more astonishing is that these designs are best appreciated from the air, despite being created between 500 BCE and 500 CE by the ancient Nazca people, who had no known means of flight or aerial perspective. These geoglyphs were formed by carefully removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the desert surface, revealing the lighter-colored soil beneath. The arid, windless climate of the region has remarkably preserved the lines for over 1,000 years, preventing erosion and ensuring their visibility even today. However, the biggest mystery remains. How did an ancient civilization, with limited tools and technology, manage to create such large and precise drawings without the ability to view them from above? Numerous theories have emerged over the years to explain the purpose and construction of the Nazca lines. Some researchers suggest that the lines had religious or ceremonial significance, possibly serving as offerings to deities believed to reside in the sky, such as water gods, in hopes of securing rainfall in the arid desert. Others believe the lines functioned as a sophisticated astronomical calendar, with certain shapes aligning with celestial bodies and seasonal changes, aiding the Nazca people in agricultural planning. More fringe theories propose that the Nazca lines were created with the assistance of ancient aliens due to their immense scale, precision, and complexity. This theory, though widely popularized in modern media, remains highly controversial within the academic community. While modern archaeologists lean toward practical explanations involving the use of rudimentary tools, mathematical calculations, and large groups of workers coordinating their efforts, no single theory has been universally accepted. The Nazca lines continue to captivate researchers, historians, and travelers alike, standing as one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of the ancient world. Their sheer scale, precision, and enigmatic purpose serve as a testament to the ingenuity of the Nazca people and a reminder of how much remains unknown about our ancient past. From mysterious lights flickering in remote valleys to ancient structures carved with mind-boggling precision, our world is filled with unsolved puzzles that continue to challenge our understanding. Even with all the advancements in modern science and technology, there are countless phenomena that leave us with more questions than answers. These mysteries remind us that no matter how much we discover, there is always more to explore. Every unexplained event, every bizarre formation, and every ancient wonder adds to the vastness of what we don't yet know. Are these mysteries simply waiting for the right scientific breakthrough? Or are there forces beyond our comprehension that science may never fully grasp? The unknown keeps our curiosity alive, urging us to seek answers even when they seem out of reach. Which of these mysteries surprised you the most? Was it the strange Hestilin lights, the puzzling Taos hum, or the incredible Nazca lines? Do you believe science will eventually solve them all, or do you think some mysteries are destined to remain unsolved forever? Maybe you believe in supernatural forces, alien involvement, or hidden ancient technologies. Whatever your thoughts, drop them in the comments below and join the conversation. If you enjoyed this dive into the world's greatest natural mysteries, don't miss our other videos exploring breathtaking landscapes, unusual natural phenomena, and the wonders of our planet that continue to amaze and inspire. Join us as we uncover the beauty, power, and mysteries of nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures into the wild and beyond.